guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail Products. If you watch our videos, you know that what these products are, they're cleaning products. They're not waxes. So what you see right here in front of you is an old Basecoat metallic. Now this one doesn't have a clear coat. This is an old, it's a beautiful blue. You see how shiny it is over here? Listen to this. That is toasted and brittle. Listen to this. You don't hear nothing because the paint job is smooth and glossy. So I'm going to show you guys right now how to use this to remove the oxidation and not remove the good color and shine. Okay, and then we're going to seal it and lock it in with this sealer wax right here. Now it's very important that you guys understand that when we do these two steps, it's to bring back the remaining color and shine back to its original state. Okay, so that now if you want, now you can detail it. Now you can put paste waxes, spray waxes, liquid waxes, and there are a lot of great waxes out there. I mean, those waxes that are out there now will really make this pop. So this technically hasn't been waxed like what you would see with those products online and stuff that make it really shine. This is just what it looks like when it's clean. You look behind me, we got all these different props we use them to demonstrate and stuff. Anyways, so I'm gonna end up focusing right here on this spot right here because this is just an area that we didn't clean, and we'll do that right now. All right, man, let's get started. Yeah. So I just want you guys to listen to this. This is the oxidized portion of the paint. Listen. Can you hear that? That paint is toasted and brittle. It needs to be removed. Okay. Here, you don't hear nothing because it's smooth and shiny. So I'm going to use this one first. It's called the Lukat Fix-It Color and Gloss Restore Polish. This is a paint cleaner. It's not a wax. Very easy to use. Okay. Always use a generous amount. Now, I recommend if you do this by hand, use terry cloth towels. Now when you put this on, the main thing is don't put it on like wax. When you use wax, you do circles, but you don't want to do that. Here, you're just going to go back and forth. You're going to clean the same spot. Don't spread it on like wax. Just clean the same area. Remember, this is a liquid deep cleaner. There's contamination permeated in the paint, and when you polish back and forth, you're removing that. Now, remember, this is not a clear coat, it's an old metallic base coat. Why am I telling you that? Because on the old base coats, they didn't have the clear coat on top. So on this, you're gonna see color coming off, okay? But remember, it's the bad stuff that's coming off, not the good stuff. The good paint is shiny. The good paint is hard, okay, so it refracts light. The paint that is toasted and brittle is already soft and brittle. That's why it doesn't refract anymore. Okay. So you see what's happening, okay? So remember the thing about this product too, if you decide to do it by hand, you don't have to do it all at once, okay? Because this is not like a wax job where you're gonna wax it and you gotta keep it like that. It's a cleaner. You're fixing the paint. That's why it's called Lukat Fix-It Color and Gloss Restore. You're going to bring back the remaining color and shine. Oop. Okay. So you can do half the hood today, come back next week, do the other half. It won't make no difference because it's not going to lose the shine. All you're doing is bringing back the remaining color and shine. That's already there. So now you don't have to. I use terry cloth towels. I use microfiber towels for removing stuff, okay? You don't have to. It's just the company makes it available to you. They give me tons of those towels. Now, this is not 100% shiny, okay? It's not supposed to. This is not a shine. All this does is remove the buildup. So that looks good, but there's no wax, okay? So now I'm going to put the sealer wax on. Now, if you decide not to use this wax, you want to use another wax, that's fine, but make sure it's a cleaning wax, sealer type wax. If you don't know what I mean, stick to this. Believe me, it makes a huge difference. The cleaner is not a miracle product. All it does is remove the contamination. Now I'm going to put the sealer wax on. Now, normally when you wax a car, you just wax on, wax off, right? But remember, this is not wax. It's not like it's not designed to put shine on. It's designed to seal and protect. So I'm working this into the paint I just revived. I'm gonna work it really well into the paint. Okay, you're gonna see a little bit coming off. That's just the residual. It's not gonna be like that, okay? Now, that's only true on base coats, okay? On clear coats, you won't really see that. So, look how nice that came out. Okay? Let me see, how long did that take? Oops. That took about 3.5 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna continue, I'm gonna do this spot right here. So remember, this is one of those things you can take your sweet time doing. You got a project, you got a big, man, even if you have a boat that's oxidized, I'm not kidding, you can use this stuff. It's amazing. Just take your time. Remember, you're cleaning, not waxing. You want to get all the contamination off. You want to get the most uniform finish you can get. Oh, it's coming out nice. Listen to this. Remember, there's no wax in this product. In fact, it's removing the old wax residue for previous applications. I mean, it looks good, but you can actually, I can tell that I can bring it out even more. Remember, I'm not stripping the paint. I'm just cleaning. The good paint is very hard to remove with this product because it's hard. The paint that's soft and brittle comes off fairly easy with this. Okay, so that's fairly clean. Feels really good, looks good. Now I'm going to use a sealer. I like to work in it, especially the first time. You don't have to. It's just something I like to do. Now it's best to leave the wax on there for about, in the winter, 10-20 minutes. Remember, you're not going to be doing this every week, every month. You're only going to do this maybe once every 2 or 3 years. That's it. And the cleaner, you're likely never to use it again. Because once you remove this oxidation, it's in this state, you just use this one to keep it that way. And that's it. Now, you should use a paste wax. Paste waxes are like the best deal. You buy a can, they're 10, 12-ounce cans. They'll last you 5-10 years, okay? And you'll be able to put a ton of wax on a car. The liquid waxes, spray waxes, they just go faster. I'm not knocking them, they're great products and stuff. And nowadays, oh my gosh, some of those waxes that you got out there, can you imagine how much of a shine you can put on here now? So remember, use the cleaner to remove the buildup, then the sealer to lock it in and protect it. I'll do a close-up right now so you guys can really see how nice it came out. I'm gonna go ahead and do a really good close-up. You guys can see how nice it came out. Okay, look at that. Now remember, I always tell people, this has not been waxed because this is a sealer. This is primarily designed to protect the finish, but look at that. Now, if you look really, really carefully, you're gonna see, you know, all this very, very light, dark, and stuff. That's just the kind of paint that it is. It's an old Basecoat metallic. Look at that. Look how beautiful that comes out. Wow. So you can see like the dark spot, light spots, but it's refracting light, okay? It just looks a heck of a lot better now. Look at that. Voila. I think that came out awesome. Okay, guys. So remember, you can get these at lukatzedetail.com. And oh, just to let you guys know, a lot of people have been calling us up because at our website we have these bigger bottles. So this is the most popular kit. You get 2 cleaners and a wax. Get this one if you have a car, van, truck, SUV, because this is the right amount to do one of those vehicles. But if you have a boat, you have a semi truck, you got a big vehicle and stuff, then you want to use this. So these are just big bottles. Check out the prices are on our website. This is an oxidized chalky patina. This is a Clearcoat that went bad. We just brought it back. But just to give you an idea what you can do with this stuff. I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing what you can do with this stuff. All right, guys. So check us out at lukatzedetail.com and watch our videos. You got questions, call us up. Our number's on there. And talk to you later. Bye.